This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2015 Honda CR-V stock on 6684. This ran from the 11th 2012 to the 4th 2017. It has an R20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the R20A 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, front bonnet no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left hand door mirror, left hand and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,